Welcome to this channel, and in this video I am going to share with you these simple and effective strategies to save more money at Walmart, and it's titled How to Save Money at Walmart. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The art of saving money is something a lot of people find challenging, and this includes saving money at Walmart. But the strategies I share with you here would definitely help you save more money while shopping at Walmart. Let's get to it. 1. Make use of Walmart's price matching policy. One thing you don't know is that Walmart provides price matching for identical items found at competitors. So utilize Walmart's price matching policy and bring in ads or show the competitor's online price to get the same deal at Walmart. 2. Register for Walmart Plus. This is a membership program that offers some advantages and benefits such as free shipping, with no order minimum, member prices on fuel and mobile scan, and go faster in-store shopping. So if you are a frequent shopper at Walmart, consider signing up for Walmart Plus program. 3. Lookup for rollback and clearance items. Check for items marked with rollback or clearance stickers. These sets of items are usually discounted, and this will definitely give you some significant savings on your money. 4. Utilize Walmart's Savings Catcher. What is Walmart's Savings Catcher and what does it do? The Walmart's Savings Catcher program automatically compares prices from top competitors in your locality for eligible products you have bought at Walmart. If a lower price is found anywhere else, you will get the difference on a gift card, and this is one way to save money. 5. Make use of coupons and rebates. Coupons are one way to get a discount on items you purchase. Walmart accepts manufacturer coupons, and many times Walmart has their own coupons available online or in the Walmart app, so always check for coupons for the items you intend to buy. Additionally, look for rebate offers on products you purchase regularly. 6. Buying in bulk. If they are not perishable items, consider buying them in bulk. Walmart often gives their customers discounts on bulk purchases, so when buying non-perishable items, consider buying in larger quantities to save money in the long run. 7. Take advantage of seasonal sales and special events. During seasonal events, Walmart offers discounts on their items, so consider buying on seasonal events like Black Friday, back-to-school season, and after-holiday clearance sales to maximize savings. 8. Download the Walmart app on your phone. Exclusive deals are offered on Walmart app, and having the app will enable you to see these deals on time. The app also lets you create shopping lists and easily scan items for prices while in store. 9. Use Ibotta to earn cash back. With the Ibotta app, you can earn cash back on eligible purchases you make at Walmart stores by scanning your receipt. So consider using the Ibotta to earn some savings on your purchases. 10. Be mindful of impulse purchase. This is one of the major strategies you must apply, and it involves making sure you stick to your shopping list and avoid impulse purchases. This helps you prevent overspending on things you never planned. By applying these strategies and staying alert for discount offer sales and opportunities, you can effectively save more money shopping at Walmart. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting financial tips.